the staff here from that school, all the staff here from the Black Country, there are times when we need to use formal language when we're presenting, when we're writing a letter, those sorts of things. It's to get the best possible results from our children. This is not an attack on local culture. But they feel they need it.
I want to use a different metaphor. Yeah. Well, it's not a metaphor, it's a true story. Somebody I know bought a very expensive painting by somebody who was very well known. And it stood on the wall for a while, and then it started to peel up. Because they didn't, and I'm not a painter, they didn't know how to treat the base and the canvas and how to prime it and all that stuff. So they didn't know the basics about painting. It's important to understand, to know the basics of language. I'm not saying you shouldn't teach that. You should teach good grammar. You should teach how the language works. Once you understand how the language works, it's great. Because it helps you understand other languages. I speak a little bit of Urdu, I speak some Chinese, because I understand language. But if you only stuck to the language and you banned slang and regional accents, you wouldn't get poetry, music, all the
Honey, have a look at this.
You wouldn't. You banned that Polish guy for speaking with a Polish Scottish accent.
Is it that, Andrew? Is it something about trying to make everyone talk the same way? A kind of linguistic fascism. I think you can't even, sending letters home to say you shouldn't be using these phrases.
I really take issue with the whole use of the word fascism if we're going to talk about what words mean, because there's a kind of eagerness to jump on this definition and use it whenever anything is banned or it's not really accepted. The fact is that we're an island nation. We have linguistic influences from every point of the compass. But in school, it is a dereliction of an educationist duty to not equip children with the gold standard of grammar. We don't want to release poor spellers into the world who will not be able to advance themselves through education. They have to put about learn about context. So if they're writing, then they need to be taught, they need to be taught that use inverted commas, use it in direct speech.
Tell it, kick.
Well, if you want to go.
This is so-and-so? Yes. How are you all? How are you? By the way, have you got your papers this morning yet? Because in the Sunday Mirror, there is a story about Tamira from the X Factor. Apparently, One Direction's Niall is romancing Tamira. Yes, they met backstage, and apparently Tamira, well, she lost her words. Now, who wants to know what's come out?